machines. On, off, on, off. Bye, house.
They'll be here when we return. Okay, off to nature we go!
Welcome to our overnight camping adventure in the woods. I love nature during the day and at night, and now we'll enjoy it together.
Yay! The woods are cool during the day, and even cooler at night.
Yes, especially the temperature.
I see you all have one bag.
This is all I brought. I brought this one bag and this. But I just have what I need. The essentials.
That's a lot of essentials.
There's nothing really out here. We have to bring it all.
There are more bugs out here. Just tell the bugs, leave me alone. You have to be brave.
Okay, my brave campers. We have a fun opportunity to be creative without gadgets, and we will. But first, let's go on a short hike.
Yay!
Great, then we'll set up camp.
I like this plan. Let me just put it in my directional device. Euclid, remember, no gadgets. But it could help us. Well, I'll try. This no gadgets challenge may not be so easy.
Now remember, kids, we're guests here in the woods, so we have to be considerate. No moving things around, no littering. We leave only footprints in nature.